Stop right there. Trying to find a Victoria court case outcome? You might be making a massive mistake. Right now, you could be wasting hours on the wrong databases or handing your credit card to predatory websites feeding you fake information. We're going to fix that today.
Believe it or not, the biggest trap is geography. People constantly mix up Victoria, Australia with Victoria, Texas. They end up trapped behind expensive paywalls on completely useless sites.
The secret is the web address. Official Australian databases always use .vic.gov.au. If you see .us or Pacer, you're in Texas. Only trust those official Australian domains.
Whether you're a journalist, a victim of crime, or running a background check, let's bust some myths. Not all records are free, they're rarely online instantly, and searching blindly gets you nowhere. To find what you need, you have to understand the hierarchy. The Magistrates Court handles everyday matters. County and Supreme Courts deal with serious trials, while VCAT handles civil disputes. You must know exactly where your case lives. Don't touch a search bar without this checklist: the exact full name, specific case number, court location, and hearing date. Knowing the legal representatives acts like a skeleton key to filter out thousands of irrelevant results.
Here's your game plan. First, identify the right court. Second, navigate to the official portal like EFOS or AusLi. Finally, plug in those specific details to instantly cut through the noise.
In the Magistrates Court, the platform changes based on the matter. For criminal charges, use the Electronic Filing Appearance System, or EFOS. For civil cases, you need the CMS portal. Mix them up and you'll find nothing. Want an insider shortcut? Look for the Medium Neutral Citation, or MNC. It's a unique string containing the year, court, and judgment number. Plug that in to instantly pinpoint a judgment across databases. Searched perfectly but found zero results? Well, you haven't failed. Missing records are usually due to strict legal restrictions, not your search skills. Let's talk transcripts. Written records of oral decisions are almost never free. A newly produced transcript from the Victorian Government Reporting Service costs $16.71 per page. Need finalized orders? An in-person search of the Magistrates Court Register runs $28.60. If you need it officially certified, that jumps to $55.40.
Beyond costs, there's privacy. The Open Courts Act balances public transparency with strict suppression orders. Cases with vulnerable witnesses or unwritten oral decisions are legally blocked to ensure fair trials.
How strict does this get? Look at the Children's Court. Because juvenile justice is so incredibly sensitive, those historical files carry a strict 99-year closure period. You aren't getting near them online.
If the online trail goes cold, go analog. Contact the specific court registry directly, formally request audio through the VGRS, or search the Public Record Office for historical cases. A mandatory reminder: this explainer is for informational purposes only, not legal advice. Court rules change and some records are restricted by law.
Always verify your findings through official government or court sources. Protect your privacy, keep your credit card safe, and skip those shady third-party aggregators entirely.
You now have the exact blueprint to navigate the Victorian judicial system safely. The truth is out there. Will your next search be on the right database? Thanks for checking out this explainer.